National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Gulf County in Florida, northwestern Wakulla County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Leon County in Big Bend of Florida, northwestern Franklin County in Big Bend of Florida, until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This means that there's possibly going to be a tornado on the ground soon.
A tornado was located 11 miles north of
It might,
East Point,
it might not.
moving
But,
northeast
oh my
at
god.
80 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar
Let's
indicated.
go see if the TV has it. We got a tornado warning. Let's turn the TV on. Open the door, please.
Let me get out that door.
Alright, go to input and go to HDMI 1. Sorry, we're having some trouble. Okay, click OK, restart. Well, that's useless. We'll do it later. Okay.
Beverly, Owens Bridge, and Podmacant.
Yay.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
See if we get a double home.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle.
Avoid windows. Okay. There, I avoided windows.
Debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties
I'm
in
recording
Florida: Franklin, Gadsden, Leon, Liberty, and Wakulla.
Okay.
Ah.
These are the 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight.